Hello friends and fellow Navkarites. My name is Shenal Thakkar. I scored All India rank 20th in CA final exams May 2018. I am a proud Navkarite and I wish to thank Navkar for all the 4 years that I have spent here. I still remember the day 27th March 2014 when I started my journey at Navkar just after one day of my 12th board exams, and I am really thankful to Navkar for every moment that I have spent here, especially the faculties who have given their involvement in each and every subject in real depth. And the examination system is the biggest pillar of Navkar, and the admin system, because both of them helped me tremendously to achieve discipline. Actually, due to articleship and other issues, I did not get time to study during the 2.5 years. So I focused on learning the practical aspects as much as possible. Tried to give as many exams as possible in Navkar, but they brought the discipline. They taught us how to respect each and every subject, and that really helped. So in the last 5.5-6 months, I gave each and every exam, and that discipline helped me to cope up with the coming pressure. I work for 10 to 12 hours a day. And I won't say that only discipline and only study-oriented approach should be there. I am a football lover, so I love Arsenal Football Club, and I watched each and every match, even on the day of exams, in all the 6 months, and even on the day of exams. And other things I would like to credit is my parents and all the faculties and God, because they were by my side for all the 6 months, and especially during those 16-17 days of the exam. The one more credit I would like to give is the material which was given during the lectures that really helped for GST, for each and every subject, I would like to say, which was provided by Navkar, really nicely compiled by the faculties. Navkar, we believe in the best.